Today I'm going to demonstrate how to write a Java method. Our instructions ask us to write a method that receives two int parameters and returns the smaller of the two values. We will call your method getSmaller. And as a precondition, the two parameters are of different values. I am using Notepad++ for this demonstration. Obviously, you would not code in Notepad++. You would code in your IDE. So to start off our method, we're going to have a visibility modifier. Most of our service methods, which is what we're going to write today as a service method, would use public as our visibility modifier. So we'll put in public. Following our visibility modifier is going to be the return type of our method. Looking at the instructions, it does say that it returns the smaller of the two values, and the values were int, so our return type is going to be an int. We follow the return type with our method name, which is getSmaller. And then we have our parameter list. And it did say that it would receive in two int parameters. So our data type of our first parameter is int. And I'm just going to call it my first one x. And the data type of my second parameter is also an int. And I'm going to call my second one y. Now I'm ready to write the body of my method. For this method, I'm comparing my x and my y, and I'm returning the one that's smaller. So I will use an if for my comparison. So if x is smaller than y, we're going to return x. Else, we would return y. And there you go. That is your getSmaller method.